body awareness is not innate. It's a skill, right? Skills require practice. Initially, when we learn a new skill, it requires a lot of thought and effort, but then over time, it gets a lot easier, right? The most important step is becoming aware, being aware of what your body is doing and how that is influencing the dog. Once you're aware, you can do something about it. All we need to know is a few key things. One is keeping your toes up, right? So when your foot goes down, you want to keep your toes up. A lot of people lose the ability to do that, especially as we age. That's important. The other thing that's important to understand is we're going to look at this lighter colored leg. Once this lighter colored leg hits the ground, for the time it takes for the other leg to come off the ground, pass it, and land on the ground, you're basically standing on one leg, right? So that's an important skill to have, the ability to stand on one leg and the ability to stand on one leg while in motion. Simply start sitting in a chair. Make sure this leg is perfectly straight. Sit up tall and then lean forward as far as you can. If that's as far as you can go, perfectly fine. If it's less than that, perfectly fine. Wherever your starting point is, that's your starting point. Work to improve it. It's even easier if your quote unquote normal is consistent, meaning let's say you have an uneven gait, right? And it's always uneven in the same way. Your dog can absolutely learn to adapt to that. If you have to take shorter strides or wider strides to maintain balance, or a slower pace, your dog can absolutely adapt to that. We just have to teach them.